Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT in black on black. So we'll just start at the back here. I'll let you have a look. We've got the targa top out right now and it's installed nicely here in the trunk. As you can see, it's in really good shape. It also has the privacy shields on this one, so that's this piece here, and then there's an upper piece here as well. So the idea is when you don't have the top back here, any items that you have in the trunk can be private and protected and put away out of sight. So underneath here we can just pull on each corner and this piece will open up like so you can place some items underneath still. We also have a net here to hold some places in, or some items in place, and then below we've got storage. And let's have a look and see what this is. I think this is the charger. Just open it up and have a look, make sure. Yeah, perfect. So it's got the Corvette trickle charger with it as well. That's great, that's there. And we'll close this, we'll lock it back in place, and let's close the lid. So it's got soft close, so I just press gently and it will close itself. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic on the rear stage 1 spoiler here as well. We'll just step back so you can see the rear of the vehicle. It's got nice LED tail lights on it. It's got the chrome badge package, and then we've got the NPP quad tip performance exhaust down here as well. So we'll just shift around this side here. I'll let you have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got nice high gloss black wheels on it. We've got black painted calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires on here. We have side skirts that are color matched to the vehicle that run along. And on the door panel, we've got nice baseball stitching. We've got electronic door release, power windows, power locks, and a 10-speaker Bose stereo. Have a look at the Corvette kick plate. It's in fair shape, as you can see. And then now we've got the passenger seat. It's got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in great shape, as you can see. And let's hop in. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. So on this one, we've got heated and cooled seat control here for the passenger temperature control, and outside temperature display as well. In the glove box, we've got the oil filler tube. We've got the original Buxer there as well. And let's have a look at the dash. So the dash is in great shape. It's got nice baseball stitching that runs along. Looks awesome. So let's just hop out. We'll close this side up, and I'll just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. Paint is in really good shape, as you can see. And then we've got our Grand Sport insert here, and it's also done in nice carbon flash metallic. Here's your front wheel, nice high gloss wheels, painted rotors, painted calipers, and Michelin tires. So under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. 460, they say, for the horsepower with the NPP. This one also has the MagRide adjustable shocks, so there's the cable for it. We've got the dry sump oil system, which is here, and it also has the upgraded transmission and rear differential cooler. So we'll go ahead, we'll close up the hood, and let's have a look from the front. Let you see the condition. Looks great. What a nice looking car, as you can see. Okay, so we've got the nice HID projector headlights. We've got LED daytime running lights on there. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic insert here on the hood. Have a look at the rest of the hood. It's in fabulous condition, as you can see. And let's have a look. So down here we've got the front curve view cameras. So there's one, there's another one. We've got the front front splitter with the side air dams there as well, and it's in great shape, as you can see. And let's have a look closely. I'll see if I can find anything to point out for you on this one. One little tiny mark there. And I think that's it. That's all that's there. So looks great. And over here, here's your left front wheel. So again, high gloss wheels, black painted calipers, painted rotors, and Michelin tires. And let's have a look back here. Same thing. So that's great. So let's let's take a look at the driver's side. Again, 10 speaker Bose stereo. We've got memory package, so memory seats, steering wheel and mirrors, power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and that nice baseball stitching that runs along the door panel as well. So over at the driver's side, there's your kick plate. It's in fair condition. Some very minor scratching on it, but that's a kick plate. It is there to do that. So down here we've got power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in great shape, as you can see. And as they get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. And let's get in and fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 8,136, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Down here we've got our cruise control buttons, we've got our favorite or track change buttons here. We've got our volume controls, our arrow keys which work the dash. So when we hit that, we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. So that's there. We've got our paddle shifters, plus and minus on this side. Over here we've got our mirror control, we've got our heads-up display control. Down below we've got trunk control, alarm on and off control, our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel control, and then have a look on the windshield. So there's your heads-up display, so that's great. And over here is your push button start, okay, and then behind screen storage with USB port. And we'll put that back up. We've got audio, AM, FM, Sirius XM. We've got performance data recorder is built in. We've got full factory navigation on this one. If I hit over, here's your front cameras. If I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. We move this out of the way. There's your dual zone automatic climate control, cooled seat, and we've got heated seats. And then again, there's a secondary control there for the passenger. Again, there's the primary control for the passenger over on this side. Here's your Grand Sport placard down here, and here's your 8-speed automatic shifter. We've got our cup holders, we've got our 12-volt socket, electronic parking brake, and mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we've got touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. That can also be programmed to control the exhaust. Right now I have it set to track mode, so driving mode, engine sound management, track mode, okay? And then in here we've got 2 USB ports, a line in and a 12-volt socket here, so that's great. And let's just hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Great sound. Here it is from the front. Sharp looking car, and we'll just scan down this side. Everything's in great shape, as you can see. Great idle. Love the tail lights. There you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.